Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 118. In this video, I will be taking apart a Lexicon Lambda audio interface. This is a two-channel interface. It has two microphone inputs or two line level inputs. So let's take a look around this thing on the outside first, and then we'll open it up. So as I had just mentioned, we have the microphone inputs, and this is the line input level. Down here we have a monitor mix. This allows you to adjust what you're listening to. When it's set to direct, you're listening to whatever is coming in through your microphone input or your line input. When you set it to playback, you're listening to whatever you're playing on the computer. And then over here we have the output level. And this button is a mono stereo button. And this would be used if you're using microphone 1, you could press the mono button and be able to get the sound out of both ears on your headphones. It'll still only record on the one channel. Also, line input 1 here is used for an instrument input. And this button's the same mono stereo button. Now on the back, we have line inputs 1 and 2, mic inputs 1 and 2. These two are for an insert, and these are the line outputs, MIDI in and out, the USB connector, and a phantom power switch for 48 volt phantom power. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the cover off, and I shall be right back. So I get the front panel loose. Now I'll see if I can get the rest of this cover off. And we're in. Looks like this cover can come apart into two pieces. There's a weight on the bottom here. Let me take a look and see if I can get these boards out. So it's a metal L-shaped frame that holds everything in. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and undo all of this stuff on the back and get these circuit boards out. Here's the frame. It actually has a decent weight to it. Here's a quick look at the label on the bottom. Obviously part of it is because of these weights. Anyway, let's get back to these circuit boards. Now, if we use the back of the frame as a reference for what these connectors are, so this board contains line 2 input, insert 2, and the 2 microphone inputs and right channel output. And the phantom power switch is just off frame. On this board, channel 1 and insert 1, left channel output, and the 2 MIDI connectors. And these two boards are connected with this smaller ribbon cable. Here's the first board. We'll look at the other side. And the second board. And the back. Now the front panel. I'm going to go ahead and pull the circuit board out of this. I have to pull all the knobs out. I'll be right back. So this is the front panel circuit board. Here's the larger ribbon cable. So here's those 6 knobs from the front. The 2 switches with a satisfying click. The level lights, and then the 2 front jacks. They were labeled instrument and headphones. And then there's a ground wire here. On the back there isn't much to see. Same with this board. One other thing I wanted to show here, right around where the level is, it's painted black. So anyway, that's what's inside a Lexicon Lambda audio interface. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.